All right, y'all. So if you've made it to this video, you have finished today's lesson, completed the CPOMS tutorial. Now you're on the Moving Man Simulator. This is the last thing you're going to do before you get to your exit ticket. So go ahead and scroll down to page number 3. As you watch the following video of 2 different scenarios, you're going to be answering these analysis questions that go along with it. And just do the best that you can. Okay, so in our first scenario, we see our moving man over here to the left. When I hit the record button, we're going to watch him move to the other brick wall. We're going to be tracking a few different things: his position, his velocity or speed, and his acceleration. Oh, this has to be 0. Let's make that 0. So starting over here, he's going to move at a constant speed, and he is not going to accelerate. Notice along the x-axis we have our time units. So let's see what happens with these conditions. So it took him about 17 seconds to get to the other wall. What trends are you noticing in the position graph, in the velocity graph, and the acceleration graph? Go ahead and go to your questions for scenario 1 and answer them using that first simulation. So again, only press play when you are ready to move on to scenario number 2. Okay, so for scenario number 2, we are starting our moving man back at the left brick wall. Same position. This time we're not going to set a speed for him. We're going to see what happens. Instead, we are going to set the acceleration. So we're going to make it so it's a positive acceleration of 0.5 meters per second squared. Let's see what happens. Notice last time it took him 17.2 seconds to get to the brick wall. See what happens this time. Ooh, he hit the wall. Okay. So this time, what do you notice? Make your observations about how his position changed. Did the velocity change? Right, when we kept acceleration constant. So go back to scenario number 2, answer those questions, and then you can move on to your exit ticket for today.